The topic is connective tissue. We know that there are 4 types of tissues and one of them is a connective tissue. And what is this tissue? Tissue is has a special function of linking and supporting other tissues or organs of the body. This tissue links or joins other tissues or organs. Okay, the tissue which joins the other tissues or organs of the body, and this includes cartilage, bone, adipose tissue and blood. Okay, cartilage, bone, adipose tissue and blood are connective tissues. In all connective tissues except blood, the cells secrete fibers of a structural protein called collagen or elastin. Okay, so we told that cartilage, bone, adipose tissue and blood are connective tissues, and so except blood, okay, in cartilage, bone and adipose tissue we can find a protein. It is called collagen or elastin. Okay, so collagen or elastin is the structural protein found in which tissue? Connective tissue, except blood. No collagen or elastin in blood. Then, what's this other function? Provides strength, elasticity and flexibility to the tissue. The function of a fiber, that is collagen or elastin, is to give strength, elasticity and flexibility to the tissue. Strength, you know, strength. Then elasticity, like elastic, stretchable, and flexibility, that means not rigid, flexible. Flexibility to the tissue, which gives this collagen or elastin. What is collagen? It's a protein. Okay, collagen or elastin is a protein found in a connective tissue. And what's its function? Giving strength, elasticity and flexibility to the connective tissue. Okay, now these cells, means connective tissue, also secrete modified polysaccharides. Polysaccharides means carbohydrates, which accumulate between cells and fibers and act as matrix. Okay, connective tissue also secrete some polysaccharides or carbohydrates which accumulate between cells and fibers and act as matrix. We have already studied this. That is a matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is the cementing substance, and of which it is formed. It is formed from the or secreted from the connective tissue. Okay. What is matrix actually? Matrix is a polysaccharide secreted from the connective tissue. Clear now? Now, this is classified into 3. There are 3 types of connective tissue: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. 3 types of connective tissue: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. The first one, loose connective tissue, and in this the cells are loosely arranged. The connective tissue in which cells are loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. That means matrix. Okay, the loose connective tissue is the tissue in which cells are arranged loosely in the ground substance. Ground substance, matrix, or the substance in which the cells are embedded or found. Okay. Example, areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Areolar and adipose tissue are loose connective tissue. And what is loose connective tissue? The tissue in which cells and fibers, which fibers? Collagen or elastin. Fibers are loosely arranged. Example, areolar and adipose tissue. Now, talking about areolar tissue, it is present beneath the skin, below the skin. areolar tissue is found or present beneath, that means below the skin, and it contains fibroblasts, means the cells which secrete fibers, and macrophages and mast cells. Composition of areolar tissue is that one fibroblast. What is fibroblast? Fibroblast is the cell which secrete fiber, collagen or elastin, and macrophages and mast cells. The composition or the cells found in the areolar tissue are three. One is fibroblast, then macrophage and mast cell. Okay, we can see that in the figure. Look at this figure. Mast cell. This is the mast cell having violet granules and nucleus. Mast cell. Then look at this, the red one. Red one is a macrophage. Then fibroblast. Which one is the fibroblast? This green one is the fibroblast, which secretes or forms, produces the fibers. See collagen fibers here, which is green color, produced from the fibroblast. Clear now? Areolar tissue is the loose connective tissue found beneath the skin. Then second loose connective tissue is adipose tissue, which is also present beneath the skin, below the skin, and these tissues are specialized to store fat storing connective tissue. Adipose tissue stores fat. Okay, fat is stored in adipose tissue. Okay, now next is second type of connective tissue is dense connective tissue. Loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. And these tissues have fibers and fibroblasts compactly packed. Then is tightly packed. In loose connective tissue, loosely packed, and in dense connective tissue, the fibers and the cells or fibroblasts are compactly, that means tightly packed. And it's of two types, dense regular connective tissue and dense irregular connective tissue. There are two types of dense connective tissue. One is a dense regular connective tissue, another one is a dense irregular connective tissue. First one, dense regular connective tissue. It is the orientation of fibers show regular pattern. Okay. And the collagen fibers are present in rows between many parallel bundles of fibers. Okay, we can see that here. See, the collagen fibers are arranged in a regular pattern, regular way. Okay, not scattered, neatly arranged. Okay, that is dense regular connective tissue. And next one is its function. What's the function of dense regular connective tissue? Examples are tendons and ligaments. Examples for dense regular connective tissue, tendons and ligaments, and functions of these are attaching muscle to bone. Tendon attaches muscles to bones. Muscles to bones, tendons, and the function of ligament is to attach one bone to another bone. Bone to bone, ligament, tendon attaching muscle to bone. And what are these? These are dense regular connective tissue. Tendon and ligaments are dense regular connective tissues, and function of tendon attaching muscles to bones, and function of ligaments attaching one bone to another. Clear, I think. Next, dense irregular connective tissue, and here the orientation of fibers show irregular pattern. Look at the figure here. In regular tissue, the fibers are arranged neatly or regularly, And in the dense irregular connective tissue, look at the configuration or orientation that the fibers show irregular pattern. No regularity here, irregular pattern. Okay. Now, next is a specialized connective tissue. Specialized connective tissue. Examples: cartilage, bones and blood. Cartilage, bone and blood are specialized connective tissues. And first one is cartilage. And what is cartilage? Soft skeletal tissue. That is cartilage. And okay, you can see that in your nose, ear, etc., which is soft in nature. Bone hard in nature, cartilage is soft in nature. Okay, both are skeletal cells. And cartilage, the cells of cartilage are called chondrocytes. Cell of cartilage is a chondrocyte. And the intercellular material of cartilage is solid and resist compression. The intercellular material, that means the matrix is a solid. Okay, solid and resists compression. We cannot compress it. And the cells of this tissue are enclosed in small cavities within the matrix and secreted by them. Then most of the cartilages in vertebrates are replaced by bones in adults. Okay, in newborn babies, mostly we can find cartilages, and later on these are replaced by bones. In babies, the cartilage is found mostly, and this is replaced by bones when they grow. Okay, so this cartilage is present in the tip of nose, outer ear, joints between adjacent bones of the vertebral column, limbs and hands in adults. Look at the figure here. See, this is a chondrocyte. Chondrocyte is the cell of a cartilage, and the protein found in cartilage is chondrin. One protein is found here, which is known as chondrin. Chondrin and chondrocyte. Chondrocyte is a cell. Chondrin is the protein. Okay. Now next is the bone. Bone is also a specialized connective tissue, and which is the cells are known as osteocytes. Chondrocytes and osteocytes, and the protein found in bone is ossein. O-S-S-E-I-N. Ossein. That is and in cartilage, chondrin. C-H-O-N-D-R-I-N. Ossein and chondrin. Ossein in bone and chondrin in cartilage. Osteocyte and chondrocyte. And bone is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. You know well about that, which gives a structural frame and strength to our body. And bone support and protect softer tissues and organs. And the bone marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. Okay, blood cells are produced from the bone marrow found inside the bone. And see the figure here: bone cell, osteocyte, and compact bone tissue figure. Okay. And next is the next specialized connective tissue is blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue containing plasma, red blood cells, that means RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and platelets. Components of blood. Blood is the liquid, okay, fluid connective tissue, and components plasma, RBC, WBC, and platelets or thrombocytes. And what is blood? Blood is the main circulating fluid that helps in the transport of various substances. See here, RBC, okay, disc shaped. then WBC irregular shape and platelets. Okay. Now this much about this connective tissue. I stop here.